I'm going to cook rice.
Okay.
First, I get a cup, and then I
You need to get the rice. How many? How many
it
cups?
should be 3 cups.
3 cups only. 2.
4.
Make it 4? 2 na. So 2 more. 3. 4. Okay, that's all. And then what are you going to do?
I'm going to put it down onto the sink.
You use ladder.
And then I put
Water?
Yes.
Why do you have to put the water? To wash it off.
To wash the rice.
Okay. Good job. Then you cannot pour it because it's heavy. Papa, can you help her? Because I'm taking the video.
What's it? Because it's Japanese rice.
It's Japanese rice, guys.
It should be soaked dapat.
And it's also used for making sushi.
Yeah, you can use it for sushi. But Papa's not making sushi right now.
Yeah, because he doesn't have that big he doesn't really have that big paper of seaweed.
Go, wash it. Pause.
Papa, okay, you have to remove. What are you going to do next?
I'm going to drain out all the water, make sure no rice falls down.
With the help of
My dad.
your dad. Okay. Okay. And then, what are we going to do next?
Put water on this.
How many cups?
4.
It should be full. 1.
5 cups.
2. You count.
3. 4.
How many cups? 1 more?
Yeah. Papa said.
So 4 cups of rice with how many cups of water?
5.
5. Okay, and then what are you going to do next?
And then we clean
You wipe it.
in the bottom
Yeah. Why do you have to wipe the bottom?
so that it won't like blow up.
It will not blow up. And you put it into the rice cooker. And then, okay. What are you going to do?
Press menu until it reaches white, and then press start.
Good job. Okay. What do you say?
Bye guys.